Motorcycling is a blend of exhilaration and freedom, but it's also intertwined with significant risk. Despite motorcycles making up only a small portion of road traffic, they account for a disproportionately high number of traffic fatalities. Let's break down the facts and figures to better understand motorcycle accidents and their impacts. Motorcycles accounted for 14% of all traffic fatalities in the United States, despite making up only 3% of vehicles. There were 5,932 motorcycle rider deaths in 2021 alone. The fatality rate per 100,000 registered motorcycles increased from 54.87 in 2011 to 60.03 in 2021. The injury rate per 100,000 registered motorcycles was 837 in 2021, down from 968 in 2011. The motorcycle fatality rate is 5 times higher than passenger cars per 100,000 registered vehicles. The highest number of motorcycle deaths occurred in the 25 to 34 age group, accounting for around 24%. 35% of motorcycle deaths happened at intersections. 2/3 of motorcycle fatalities occurred on urban roads. Daylight, more than half of accidents happen in broad daylight. And 29% of motorcycle fatalities involve alcohol impairment.